Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to begin. Open PhotoTune, sign in, and import the photos you want to edit. Once done, select a primary image and tap Edit to enter the workspace. Make sure storage and location permissions are enabled so the app can save edits and use smart suggestions. If you have RAW files, choose them now for higher dynamic range. Now, confirm the photo sequence and decide whether you want batch edits or a single precise tune. Then move to Adjustments. Start with Auto-Tune to get a clean baseline, then manually tweak exposure, contrast, and white balance to suit the scene. Use layers to separate edits. For example, one layer for skin smoothing and another for background color. Once layered, apply selective brushes and masks to target highlights or shadows without affecting the whole image. When you need creative looks, add a preset pack and change its strength. Make sure to zoom to 100% to check for artifacts before finalizing. To finish, choose Export and set format, quality percent, and resolution. Include or strip metadata depending on your use. If you edited many photos, use batch export and apply consistent naming rules to keep files organized. Once exported, review files at full size. If you spot halos or artifacts, undo recent steps, reduce a filter strength, or repaint the mask on that region and re-export. If the app crashes, restart and recover from the autosave. Then reapply only the necessary adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.